Hi, friends. Welcome to Everyday Dialogue. Listen carefully. Here we go.
Hi, Robert. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm doing well. So, tomorrow is the start of our 2-day holiday.
Yes, finally. We can rest for 2 whole days.
I'm going to clean my house, organize things, and then sit down with a good book. What about you?
Well, I plan to just relax and watch some movies. I haven't seen any in ages.
Ooh, movies are a great idea. Last time I had a break, I watched 3 movies in one day.
3 movies? That's impressive. Any recommendations for me?
Sure. What kind of genre do you like? That way I can suggest something better.
Hmm, maybe something adventurous or a thriller?
Have you seen the new Avatar movie? It's really beautiful.
Yes, I saw it. The visuals were amazing, especially the underwater scenes.
Absolutely. But if you want a comedy, I can recommend something else.
Okay, tell me more. I love laughing.
What about the Super Mario Bros. Movie? It's fun for everyone.
Oh, is it suitable for adults too? I thought it was just for kids.
Definitely. The humor works for all ages. My parents enjoyed it a lot.
Great! I'll add it to my list. What about a action movie?
Well, the latest Mission Impossible is full of exciting stunts.
Tom Cruise always does his own stunts, right?
Yes, he's incredible. The motorcycle cliff jump was insane.
I think I'll watch that one first. Do you like animated movies?
I love them. Spider Man Into the Spider Verse is one of my favorites.
The animation style is so unique in that one.
It is. The story is touching and the music is great too.
Speaking of music, are there any good musicals you'd recommend?
La La Land is a classic. The songs are beautiful and Emma Stone is fantastic.
Oh, I remember that. The ending was so emotional.
It was. Hey, do you ever watch horror movies?
Sometimes, but I get scared easily. Do you have a mild one?
How about A Quiet Place? It's more suspenseful than gory.
That sounds good. I heard the actors use sign language a lot.
Yes, it's very creative. So, how many movies are on your list now?
Let's see. Avatar, Super Mario Bros., Mission Impossible, Spider-Verse, La La Land, and A Quiet Place. That's 6 movies.
That's a lot for 2 days. You might need to take a month off.
Oh, you're right. I'll just pick 2 or 3. Maybe we can watch one together on mine.
That's a wonderful idea. Let's plan a video call and sync the movie.
Perfect. Should I make some popcorn?
Always. I'll bring my favorite blanket. Text me which movie you decide on.
I will. Thanks for all the great suggestions, Sophia.
Anytime, Robert. Enjoy your holiday.
Bye-bye.